In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags on Notion. Tags are a simple way to label and group your notes, tasks, and projects, so you can find what you need faster and keep everything consistent across your workspace. To get started, you'll want to create a database because tags work best as a property inside databases. You can use any database view you like: table, board, gallery, list, or calendar. If you are new to databases, a table is the most straightforward place to begin. Create a new page and add a table, either as a full page or inline inside an existing page. The reason we use a database is that properties, like tags, become reusable across all items in that database, making them easy to manage and standardize. Next, add a property for your tags. In the table header, click the plus icon at the top right to add a new column. This creates a new property for every row in your database. If you are in another view and don't see the plus icon, switch to the table view briefly to add it. Then switch back once you are done. Now choose the right property type. Select multi-select if you want to assign more than one tag to an item, for example, something that's both design and urgent. Choose select if each item should have only one tag, like a single status. If you are unsure, multi-select is the more flexible option and a great default for topic or category labels. Give the property a clear name so everyone knows what it's for. Click the column title and rename it to tags or something similar. Short, consistent names make your database easier to scan and filter later. With the property in place, create and assign your tags. Click inside any cell in the tags column. Type the tag name you want and press enter to create it. From then on, that tag appears in the drop-down for easy reuse. You can add multiple tags to the same item if you chose multi-select, or pick a single tag if you chose select. Feel free to assign colors to tags to make them stand out visually. Colors don't change how tags work, but they help you scan your database quickly. If you need to adjust a tag's name or color later, open the drop-down and edit it. Your changes will update everywhere that tag is used. That's it. You now have a reusable tags property that keeps your database organized. Thanks for watching.